Got one. Yeah. There you go, baby. Oh, slap me. Woo! Nice little cat. Bleeding. Oh, mate. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. Saca my line on this one. You still want to go somewhere else? Damn. We should have. Had it. Just press the button in the middle. Hold it? Yeah. It's pulling, man. Oh, it's a big one. Mira? Oh my God. What the heck is that? It's a turtle? It is a turtle. Oh shit.
I don't want to send it. Oh, there it goes, dude. You're gonna catch it. There he goes. Toady. I know, I'm telling you, they'll go up right after it. Oh, that is pretty good size.
That is a very good size.
There it goes. Edgar catching his first bass out here in LaPorte. Nah, I'm just joking.
And they're right in front of them.
Go get your pliers, dude. I don't trust that.
Don't trust what?
Taking them out with your hand.
Have to have faith, dude.
There you go, let me take a picture. Alright.